Hey everyone! Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. I'm Scarlett. Today's dialogue for English beginners is about taking care of a dog. You'll hear a simple conversation between me and my friend Luka. If you like real-life English, please subscribe. Let's start.
Hi, Scarlett. Is this your new dog?
Yes, this is Milo. We got him last week.
He's so cute. What breed is he?
He's a Labrador mix. Very friendly.
That's nice. Is it difficult to take care of him?
A little, yes. I wake up early for his walk.
Really? How many walks per day?
3 times, morning, afternoon, and evening.
Wow, that's a lot. What about food?
He eats 2 times a day, special puppy food.
Do you give him treats?
Sometimes, for good behavior, but not too many.
I see. Does he like toys?
Oh, yes, he loves his rubber ball. We play fetch.
That's fun. What about bath time? Does he like it?
No, not at all. It's a big problem.
That's funny. Do you go to the vet?
Yes, for vaccinations. He gets scared there too.
Poor Milo. Where does he sleep?
In my room, in his own bed. But sometimes he snores.
That's cute. Do you brush his fur?
Every day. It helps to keep it clean.
Is it expensive? Food, vet, toys?
A bit, yes. But he's worth it.
I agree. Does he know any commands?
Basic ones. Sit, stay, come. We're practicing.
Great. Did you train him yourself?
Mostly, yes. I watch YouTube videos.
Smart. What about trips? Can you travel with him?
It's complicated. Need to find pet-friendly hotels.
That's true. Does he bark a lot?
Only at the postman and squirrels.
Typical dog. What's the best part?
The love. He's always happy to see me.
That's wonderful. And the worst part?
Picking up poop in the rain. Ugh.
Oh no. I can imagine. Do you have a pet sitter?
My neighbor helps sometimes. She loves dogs too.
That's lucky. Would you consider getting a cat instead?
No, I'm more of a dog person. They're more active.
Me too. What's next for Milo? Any puppy classes?
Maybe next month. I hope he listens to the teacher.
Good luck. Does he have any dog friends?
Yes, Bella from next street. They play in this park.
That's nice for socialization. How about his energy level?
Very high, especially in the morning. He wakes me up.
An alarm clock? Do you use a leash or a harness?
A harness. It's better for his neck.
Smart choice. Has he chewed anything important?
My favorite slippers. Gone on the first day.
Oh no. You need more chew toys then.
Definitely. I bought him a tough rubber bone.
Good idea. What's his favorite activity?
Chasing his tail. It's so funny to watch.
Sounds hilarious. Does he like car rides?
Loves them. He sticks his head out the window.
That's a classic dog thing. Do you have pet insurance?
Not yet. I'm thinking about it. Vet bills are scary.
Yeah, I've heard. Is he microchipped?
Yes, of course. For safety. In case he gets lost.
Responsible owner. Does he shed a lot of fur?
Oh, yes. My clothes are always hairy. Need a good vacuum.
The dog owner's struggle. What about summer? Is it too hot for him?
We walk early or late. And he has a cooling mat.
Nice. Has he met your family yet?
My parents love him. My brother is a bit scared.
He'll get used to it. What's the funniest thing he's done?
He tried to dig in the living room carpet.
Oh no, puppies are crazy. Do you ever get mad at him?
Sometimes, but it passes quickly. He looks so sorry.
The puppy eyes. Would you recommend getting a dog?
Only if you have time and love. It's a big commitment.
I understand. Well, I should go. It was great talking.
Me too. Time for Milo's afternoon walk.
Good luck with that. Bye, Milo.
Bye, Luka. Say bye. Milo, say bye.